So today I'm going to be installing this CargoLoc rooftop crossbars, and it clamps to adjust up to 55 inches, fits all vehicles at raised side rails. All right, let's get this crossbar box open. All right, we have our directions, our hex key, and then we have 2 keys to lock them down. Let's take off this. So it's pretty simple. You insert the key here, and when you see the red guard on, you got to turn the key. Red guard disappears, and what you do is you stick your hex key in and you turn it counterclockwise to open up the space here to fit on your rails on the top of your roof. Which way you need to turn it, counterclockwise to loosen it, to open it up, or clockwise to tighten it, to close the gap. Once you get it done, you pull out your hex key, you lock it, and then you see the red dot in there, which means it's locked in. This is locked in, so let's try it. So I'm gonna place these up here. Get that fitted there, and this one sits here. All right, so we're gonna place it right here till it bumps up on this edge. All right. Wanna make sure our rails sit evenly too. But get about 6 here. We got about 6 there. All right, so we're even here on each side. And tighten it with the hex key. And you can see this clamp is pulling in, so it's going to tighten right up here. All right. Now, once it's tight, you turn the key. The red shows, it means it's locked in. And we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side and put the other one up here. All right, so I have the crossbars attached to the side rails, and you need at least 27 inches between each crossbars. I have about 37.5. Everything's tightened down really good. And then we'll get the canoe on and we'll be on our way. Thanks for checking out this video. Hopefully it helps you next time you do your installation. And feel free to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Until next time, enjoy the outdoors. I'll see you on the next adventure, and good luck.